Hey, Steve from B&M. Today I'm happy to introduce our new B&M Magnum Grip gated shifter for the Polaris RZR. But be sure to check our website for different models and years that this will fit. Now, this B&M Magnum Grip handle is made from aluminum with a nice durable black anodized finish. Now, one cool security feature we added into our shifters is this hole right here, right above the trigger. You can simply slide in any common padlock and you can lock your shifter so no one can squeeze it out of park. It's got these awesome side plates. Stainless gate plate that's going to keep you in each gear until you hit the trigger release to change to whatever gear you want to. These are 100% direct bolt-on, and they're backed up by a lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Now, the tools for the job are basic hand tools can be found in most common toolboxes with no specialty tools required. Now, be sure to check out our website for the different Magnum Grip side plates that are available for purchase. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get this installed on a late model Polaris RZR. Okay, today we're in the shop. We have a 2016 Polaris RZR 1000 Turbo. We're going to remove this old sloppy shifter. Now you can see it goes into any gear at any given time, so this can cause damage to your transmission. Now the nice thing now with the new B&M Magnum Grip gated shifter for the late model Polaris RZRs is it has a gate plate, and the gate plate is going to help it lock into each gear. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and remove this top cap. Take a little screwdriver and just going to lightly pry up. Next, inside here, there's a little torque screw. Okay, and now we're just going to go ahead and pull the handle up. And now we're going to go ahead and just pull the boot off. Just pull straight up. Okay, next, you're going to have to remove both of your seats, and then you're also going to have to unclip all the little clips that are holding on the center console, and then also there's two bolts that are holding on the console. So we're going to go ahead and get our seats removed and get our console removed. Okay, we got our seats removed out of our vehicle. Now each vehicle is going to be different depending on what kind of seat you have and how the seat removal goes. So in this one we have two bucket seats, and we have this little console that we had to kind of set aside. Now we're going to go ahead and unclip the center console here. Okay, and we're just going to simply just pry up, go ahead and pull. There's a clip right here in the center. Now same thing on the driver's side, there's a clip right here on the side. There's two bolts, one right here, and then one right here on this side. And then we're going to have to push these seat belts through the console, and this whole console will come right out. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the other bolt right across on the driver's side now. Okay, next, two more clips right here on the back. Just got to unsnap. Okay. Now you got to just pick up on the console. Now you got to push the little rubber boot through the hole. Same on the other side. Okay, next you want to go ahead and put your shifter in neutral. Now on the opposite side of this cable here, there is a lock nut. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lock nut. So there's our lock nut. Now next, we're going to go ahead and remove the little C-clip. And slide the shifter off. I go ahead and remove the factory little white bushings. You're going to reuse these on the new B&M Magnum Grip shifter handle. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and install the factory little nylon bushings. Now we're going to go ahead and put the gate plate on. And when you put your gate plate on, you want to make sure it lines up with the locking pin right here. I'm just going to slide it on. Now right here is a factory hole. This is where your gate plate is going to bolt to the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and apply hardware. We're going to use a bolt with a flat washer. Put it through the gate plate. Now this comes with a supplied nylon lock nut. We're going to slide it down and start it here. Now we'll go ahead and tighten this up. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and reattach this factory cable onto the bottom of the Magnum Grip shifter handle. Now this thing rotates, so you want to make sure you line up this square shoulder into the square notch here on the shifter. Now with the stock hardware, I'm going to go ahead and put the lock nut back on. Go ahead and tighten this down. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and reinstall the factory C-clip. Okay. Now we're ready to go ahead and put our center console back in. Now next, go ahead and reinstall the 2 bolts on each side, and then go ahead and put on your plastic clips. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and reinstall our seats. Okay, now we got our seat installed, got the console back in. We're going to go ahead and put the rubber boot over the Magnum Grip shifter handle. Cool. So next we're going to go ahead and install the trigger release, the supplied hardware. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the side plates with the supplied hardware. Okay. Okay, that concludes our installation here in our B&M Magnum Grip gated shifter for the late model Polaris RZR. Now, installation time on this is roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. Now you can see with the new gated shifter here, it locks into each gear so you don't accidentally bump it or knock it into gear. Now I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and happy trails. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.